Hello, I'm Christine and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I did this makeup look inspired by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande's Rain On Me music video. The whole look is kind of like a punk alien princess, so we're just gonna go with that. First, I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face. I love Drunk Elephant because it really hydrates and it's very light on my skin. Then I'm gonna put some primer on my eyelids, followed by some foundation. I like Too Faced and I like applying foundation with my hands. Make sure that you wash your hands if you're going to do the same thing. It's just easier to blend and to just get it all over where it needs to go. Once you got that down, we're going to put some concealer on. And same thing, I really like blending it out with my fingers. It's just easier to blend it, easier to see, and it's just like better on your skin as well. Okay, so now the real fun begins. You're going to choose the hottest pink eyeshadow that you have in your makeup bag. This is like the brightest pink I have, I think. It's from Voss, and you're just going to apply it like so. It's kind of like a straight line across both of your eyelids. So my camera stopped filming, but what you're going to do after this is apply black eyeshadow right below. And then you're going to apply white eyeliner or white eyeshadow, which is what I did, like so. You want to make sure that you have a long wing that just goes super long, dramatic, theatrical. Remember, you're a punk pop alien princess. Now you're going to grab the same shade of pink that you used first, and you're going to apply it in your bottom liner, and you're going to follow the white line that you just did way up into space. And also just fade out those lines. Fade out with either a brush or with your fingers. Now we're going to put some mascara on. Looking back, if you have false eyelashes, throw those on right now because they will make your eyes pop a ton. I personally don't like using false eyelashes because they're way too heavy, and the process of applying them, putting them on your eye is just too much. Okay, now on to contouring. This is probably my second favorite thing to do when I'm applying makeup. I use MAC's contour palette. I don't know if they have more than one, but that's what I'm using. So we're gonna apply it all over our face like so. And usually I put contour on my nose with my fingers as well, but I just decided to use a brush today because why not? I need to practice. Now we're gonna highlight with that same palette. Just kidding. We're gonna use Too Faced highlight, and we're gonna mix that with a little bit of pink. I'm gonna dab it on as you see, and it's gonna look really weird, but once you blend it, then it'll make sense. This is actually my favorite part about putting makeup on, is just blending all of the contouring, making everything make sense. So our last step here is to apply lipstick. I'm using Lime Crime's Velvetines in Neptune color, woo, which is appropriate for our theme. And now we're gonna see our final look. Let me know if you think this look is more Ariana Grande or Lady Gaga in the comment section. If you like this look and you want to see more next week, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.